go barure chiringi chimilioni emieye monainye ere okonya abantu bali bakirwe no muchando bomurakebera na boigo encharas chinsemo au emergency ya Kenya chibese chiokorwase chi company emieye moneyemo nigo chirache kwena no gochase kiombe kya Red Cross ekiokera chiekorwa bokonyo bogo chase chinsemecho okwana chinga kiecho mokonyo bomuraibwense Rigathi Gachagua ni gata namba chikogendera kubeka emirobire saine yoko enekia buna barwaniro muchando bomurakera na boigo enchara.
Over 2.5 million livestock so far have died, and this means livelihoods of these communities affected. It means their lives being threatened.
We cannot have a thriving economy if one section of our community is left out. This calls us all to support those affected through the provision of food, assistance to the households that are currently food insecure, ensuring that we are taking care of the severely and moderately malnourished, as well as the livestock which have been heavily impacted.
The dire situation we are in calls for robust, sustainable and long-lasting solutions to drive Kenya into an agricultural powerhouse. This is because we have a lot of land suitable for crop and animal production into surplus. When we reach the surplus production, it will support our economy beyond the current contribution of 22.4% to the GDP, while creating more than 40% of jobs. We must no longer rely on rain-fed agriculture amid threats of climate change and other calamities like locust invasions.